In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Submarine in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Submarine can be accessed by talking to a specific NPC called the Submarine Worker. He is going to be located in the Tiki Outpost, so travel to the Tiki Outpost and look for this NPC. Once you find him, you can talk to him. If you have defeated the Tyrant of the Skies raid boss, then you will be able to use the submarine. However, if you still need to defeat the Tyrant of the Skies, then he is going to request you to kill the raid boss, and then you can use the submarine. If you still need to kill this Tyrant of the Skies raid boss, look around and you will find a bunch of statues that may or may not have glowing eyes. Every time that you kill an enemy on the Tiki Outpost, the eyes will get closer and closer to glowing. So basically, the player must kill 300 enemies at the Tiki Outpost. Doing this, both of the Falcon statues' eyes will start to glow. So there's going to be one Falcon statue after another. Then every 75 kills, one of the eyes will glow. So if you do 75 times 4, it is going to be 300 enemies. So 2 statues times 150 for each eye in each of the statues, and so on, you get 300 enemies. Once all 4 eyes are glowing, the player must then break every pot in the boss area 3 times. So you break all of the pots in the boss area 3 times, and it is going to be summoned. After it is summoned, be sure to have a strategy and defeat the boss. After you have done this, go back to the NPC, the Submarine Worker, talk to him, and he is now going to give you access to the actual submarine. By going down, you will be transported to the submerged island. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.